Welcome to Helen Chemist channel. In this session, we are going to discuss the topic hybridization. So, what is hybridization? Hybridization is the process of mixing of atomic orbitals of same atom with comparable energy to form equal number of new equivalent orbitals with the same energy. Okay. Now see, 1s orbital overlap with 1p orbital forms sp hybridization. 1s orbital and 2p orbital overlap gives sp2 hybridization. 1s orbital overlaps with 3p orbital, we are getting sp3 hybridization. 1s orbital, 3p orbital and 1d orbital overlapping, we are getting sp3 dehybridization. Next example for sp hybridization. Example, beryllium chloride. Okay, beryllium chloride. Beryllium atomic number 4. Electronic configuration 1s to 2s to 2p0. So ground state 2s 2p. 2 electrons. Here I have to fill here 2 electrons. 2p is a empty electron, so need not to fill anything here. Then excited state here. One of the 2s electron gets excited to the p orbital. Okay, like this. One of the 2s orbital gets excited to the p orbital. So 2s having 1 electron, 2p having 1 electron. So 1s 1p. 1s and 1p overlap, sp hybridization. So beryllium chloride shows sp hybridization. So the hybridization only based on the central atom. Okay. Next chlorine atomic number 17, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Chlorine, this is the outermost cell. So you have to write orbital for the outermost cell only, 3s2, 3p5. So 3s2, 3p. Okay. 3p you have to write like this, px, py, pz. 3s having 2 electrons, you have to fill like this, then p. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How to fill the orbital? First singlet and then doublets. Okay. 1, 2, 3, remaining 2 electrons, so 4, 5. Like this, another chlorine you have to write like that. Okay. So how many chlorine you are having? 2 chlorine. So I wrote 2 chlorine for the hybridization. So now sp hybridized orbital of beryllium overlap with pz orbital of chlorine, giving beryllium chloride structure. Okay. See the structure. Each of the sp hybridized orbitals of beryllium linearly overlap with pz orbital of chlorine to form a covalent bond between beryllium and chlorine. Okay, as shown in figure. Okay, beryllium and chlorine. sp hybridized orbital of linear overlap with pz orbital of chlorine form a covalent bond. What is the covalent bond? Means sigma bond. Okay, this is the structure of beryllium chloride. So sp hybridization. Okay. Next, sp2 hybridization. Example, boron trifluoride. Boron atomic number 5. Electronic configuration 1s to 2s to 2p1. Ground state for 2s having 2 electron, 2p, 2px, 2py, 2pz. So here p having only 1 electron, so it fills the 2px orbital. Okay, next excited state. One of the 2s electron excited to the 2py orbital. Okay, so 2s having 1 electron, 2px1, 2pz1. Here s having 1 electron, px having 1 electron, py having 1 electron. So s 2p. So sp2 hybridization. So sp2, sp2, sp2. Then fluorine atom atomic number 9. 1s to 2s to 2p5 electronic configuration. So this is the outermost cell. So fluorine 2s 2 electron, then 2p5 You have to write like this: 2px, 2py, 2pz, 5 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fluorines you are having? 3 fluorines. So you have to write orbitals for these 3 fluorine atom. Okay. Now this sp2 hybridized orbital of boron overlaps with 2pz orbital of fluorine, forming boron trifluoride structure. Okay, see the structure. The three sp2 hybridized orbitals of boron now overlap with 2pz orbitals of fluorine. Okay, this overlap takes place along the axis. Okay, this is the along the axis. Okay, the three sp2 hybridized orbitals of boron overlap with 2pz orbitals of fluorine. 1, 2, 3 fluorine. So it forms the structure like this. Okay, it forms sigma bond only. Hybridization forms only sigma bond, that is covalent bond. Next example, sp3d hybridization. Okay, for example, phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus atomic number 15. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. So this is the outermost cell. Ground state 3s2, 3p x, 3py, 3pz1. So 3s2 having 2 electrons, then px having 1 electron, py having 1 electron, pz having 1 electron. You already know that first you have to fill the singlet and then you have doublet. Okay, 3 electron. Okay, you are having 3 singlet electrons, 3px, 3py, 3pz. Now then the next energy level of 3p is 3d. So you have to write the 3d orbitals. Okay, excited state, one of the 3s electron now get excited to the 3d orbital, one of the 3d orbitals. So now 3s having 1 electron, 3p x having 1 electron, 3py 1 electron, 3pz 1 electron, 3dz square 1 electron. So how many? 1s, 3p orbital, 1d orbital. So what is the hybridization? Yes, p3d hybridization. So sp3d hybridization, sp3d, 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 sp3d. Now chlorine electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So this is the orbitals. Chlorine 3s2, 3px, 3p, 3pz, 5 electrons. Okay, you have to write like this for remaining 4 chlorine atom. So now sp3 hybridized orbital of phosphorus overlap with 3pz orbitals of 5 chlorine, forming the structure. Okay, see the structure. See the 3pz orbitals of fluorine, the 3pz orbitals of 5 chlorine atoms linearly overlap along the axis with the 5 sp3d hybridized orbitals of phosphorus to form 5 PCl sigma bonds as shown below. Okay, see that. Now center you are having phosphorus central atom. So sp3 dehybridized orbital of phosphorus overlap with the 3pz orbital of chlorine, forming the structure like this. Okay, these are the sigma bonds. Okay, thank you.